DisplayPort to HDMI, Answin 6 feet 4K DisplayPort to HDMI Cable Adapter Nylon Braided Undirectional DP to HDMI cable. Get a reliable connection with a flawless transmission. Perfect if you want to experience the true power of your home entertainment system. The Answin DisplayPort to HDMI cable is designed for connecting DisplayPort-equipped computer systems to HDMI-equipped monitors, providing optimal video quality up to 4K, 3840*2160, at 30 Hz Ultra HD resolution and supporting 3D. Constructed with full metal connectors, double shielding, ALU mylar foil and aluminum braiding, 2 4K gold-plated connectors, and oxygen-free copper. You can buy with confidence knowing you'll get pristine pictures and sound with a loss-free transmission. Rugged series durable, nylon braided construction of the Answin braided DisplayPort, DP, to HDMI cable increases longevity and is perfect for households with pets. From DisplayPort to HDMI only, not bi-directional. 6 FT high-speed 6 feet DP to HDMI cable, high-quality build protects against corrosion while maximizing signal strength. 100% pure copper conductors, triple cable shielding. 2 4K gold-plated full metal jacket connectors. Audio-video sync connect DisplayPort, DP, DP++, DisplayPort++, enabled desktops and laptops to 4K UHD HDMI TV, projectors, A/V receiver, etc. Transmits high-definition video and audio from your computer to an HD TV for video streaming or gaming. Enjoy 4K at 30 Hz. This DisplayPort to HDMI adapter cable supports video resolutions up to 4K and 1080p, Full HD, and uncompressed digital audio channels, 7.1, 5.1, or 2. Enjoy home theater with 4K high resolution. Suitable for extended or mirrored mode. Answin DisplayPort to HDMI adapter cable are backed by a limited lifetime warranty and friendly customer support.